Where should I invest my money? What should I do with my savings? How can I get maximum benefit from my savings? Oh, managing money is so tough task. Are these questions in your mind? Or you're confused how and where to invest your money? So don't worry guys, we are here to help you out. I am Roshan Sharma and I am going to tell you about our project, and that is budget management system. It allows user to input their income and flag their spending. After that, the user gets the details of their spending and saving. Like nowadays, most of the youngster does not know where to spend and how to spend your money. So this app will give you a brief idea about that. We are also thinking of adding various investment tips as well as a compound interest calculator so that the user should know how much profit they will earn after the investment of money. So you must be thinking, why are we making this app? So the answer for this question is awareness or knowledge. Most of the youngsters does not have the knowledge of spending the money and they sometimes spend as like that. So to create an awareness amongst them, we have budget management system.
Maximum problems faced by the middle class people in our country is mainly due to the improper planning of their monthly income. Many people don't know how to plan their budget, like where to spend, where to invest, and how to save. This type of improper budget management can lead to financial debts and problems related to the finance. If this go on continuing, people will get lost economically. Due to improper planning, the whole family gets difficulties of money. Also, some people will plan their budget and make savings, but they don't know where to spend it or invest it. On keeping all these points in mind, me and my team planned to make a project called Budget Management System. With this, we can decrease the improper planning of our budget. I hope this project will get succeeded.
So nowadays, in a middle class family, they're spending lots of money in too many things without any planning. So in the situation, there is no money left by the end of the month. So here is our solution, budget management system. Budgeting is a process to create a plan to spend all your money. Creating this spending plan allows you to determine in advance whether you will have enough money to do the things you need to do or you would like to do. If you don't have enough money to do the things you would like to do, then you can use this planning process to prioritize your spending and focus your money on the things that are most important to you. And we are also planning to initialize an option for our users to get suggestions that where to invest their money and run in profit. So simply by using our application, a person can look into his monthly expenditures and invest where he wants.
Hello guys, my name is Tanu and let me take you through a quick demo of our application. Our application, you see two menus, budgets and transaction. In budgets menu, you can get to add categories of your expenses or revenues like clothes, now in transactions menu you get to add your every transaction, like I need to add an expense. Now in expense I write Levi's. I bought it in clothes with a value of 2000 rupees. You also get to add a note or a receipt. Now as I go into my budgets menu, in clothes I can see my expenditure of 2000 rupees on clothes on 16 June.
Coming to the future work of our project is to help the user about where to invest his savings to get a profit is being suggested by the application. And also it helps to user to save the maximum income automatically by decreasing the unwanted use. Convenience
we are going to add similar features like online platform technology. The future of budgeting for more successful is to use the wealth of technology that exists to integrate budgeting into operations and make the entire process more transparent. This project is going to be more useful for users by adding these features. It is also useful for uneducated people to save and invest their money. And coming to consumerism, it will keep on rising in coming years, and so more people will be needed to track their expense. In this work, the main focus is on the budget of the human and how he is going to invest his money. By extending our project using wealthy technology may lead to the interesting